Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JMIA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very impressive movement today, especially when you factor in that just on Wednesday, the price was all the way down there. Now, all of a sudden, the price has battled back up to where it has. So more of the story, very nice movement, but that does bring about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $36 mark. Now, why is 36 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down to 36, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. And also, to be fair, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then this situation starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows down here if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined is right there around that $36 mark. In terms of levels of resistance, if this thing is going to keep on fighting upwards, the next big roadblock to keep an eye on is going to be that pink line up there, which on my chart you know it's the very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average. And that's, we'll just call it up at $40.50. So you're going to want to watch that also. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very, very impressive movement today on the bulls part. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.